This video will show you how to shop online from stores from the US, UK, and UAE using Egyptian pounds in cash. There's no debit or credit card required, although you can use debit or credit if you'd like. So there is an Egypt-based shopping store called Links. So if you Google search Links Egypt, you will find it there. So this is what the homepage looks like. It shows a variety of stores that you can shop from. And if you scroll down, it continues to show more stores. Links, they offer a variety of discounts, and I will show you later in the video exactly where to look for them as you shop. So before we go into those details, first, it's really important that you scroll to the bottom and click on the prohibited items so that you can see what is not allowed. So these items are not allowed due to customs regulations or international shipping restrictions. So check to make sure that you're not trying to purchase one of these items. So to begin your purchase, you would go to the website of your store of choice where you want to shop from. So let's say, for example, I want to buy this top from Walmart. So what I would do is I would go to the URL and I would copy the link, go back to the home page of links, and I would paste the product link here. So after pasting your item, it should look like this, and it will ask for you to choose the category and then to go into specific details. So my item is clothing, and it's under the category of women, and it's a top or t-shirt. Okay, here's where you should be very careful because you don't want to go through this entire process and end up getting the wrong color or the wrong size. So make sure you go back to the original site of your product so that you can choose the correct color. This one's banana shrub, black, blue cherry. Let's say, for example, I want colorful leaves and size 10, for example. So I would type in colorful leaves, and for size, I'll put 10. Okay. Once you click next, also you can check here to double check for your item to see if it's the correct image that was on the original page. So once you continue on, you can see the total, the grand total, and also a breakdown of fees. So here you've got your international shipping, your custom fees, your service fees, and then at the bottom it has your fees for VAT and delivery once it comes to Egypt. So this is where you can check for your special offer or for your discount. If you click on more details, it will show you different offers that you can choose from. So here you can just claim the promotion, or you can type in the code in this box and click apply code. Okay, so when you continue to scroll down, it also shows you how much cash back you're going to receive on the order. So this is one of the perks of shopping with links. You do get cash back per order. So from my purchase and from my personal experience, they sent a driver the next day to collect a portion of the grand total. They do not, well, at least for me, and the way they usually operate, they don't collect the grand total all at once. They send a delivery guy or a driver, and they ask for only a portion of the total, After that, they will proceed to make the order, and you will pay the remaining sum once they bring the product to your door. So I 10 out of 10 recommend shopping through links, and I hope this video has been helpful. Please like, comment, and share to help others shop abroad while living in Egypt.